go. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Say we're back for another mukbang.
Back,
Mukbang?
Mom.
Can we tell everybody what we're eating today?
Soup.
Soup. What is this? Is this soup? Yeah? What's this?
Demi.
Yummy.
Yum.
Cucumbers with salt and pepper. And what is this? She's never had this before. Say dragon fruit.
Daddy fruit.
Dragon fruit. Got some fresh dragon fruit. You can hold yours to the camera too. There you go. She's only 2. And we have water to drink too. Water to drink. Here, let's scoot your chair closer to mommy. These are big chairs.
Big too.
And then we've got ramen. You don't need to hold your bowl up. She's got chopsticks, but she doesn't know how to eat with them. All right, are we ready to start? What do you want to eat first? Your soup? Yeah? Okay.
No, God.
You're going to try with your chopsticks?
Oh,
Good job. Okay. I put ice cubes in hers, so hers is cooled down. Mine's still hot.
Mommy, do.
Uh-oh. Good job. She loves making videos.
Mommy.
Yummy. And your water. She's getting a drink. Oh. I'll move it a little closer. There we go.
And daddy fruit.
And dragon fruit and cucumber. Yummy. Yummy. Do you want to try that? Okay, that's what we got your spoon for. Here, you scoop it, and you can scoop it out like this. See? Let everybody know what you think.
Yum.
Is it yummy? Careful. Yeah, we don't want to spill our water. Here, we gotta keep it so it looks pretty to everybody. And put your spoon right there. Mmm. Good job. Good job.
Go.
That's a car.
Gum.
Yep, they can't see the cars though. All they can see is what we see. Just us. And a little bit of Godzilla and the Care Bear back there. Munch decided they needed to be in the show too. Mm-hmm.
Big butt.
Big bites. Is this a big bite video? Mine's a little too hot still to do big bites, but you can do big bites. Mine's hot. See the steam? Gotta blow on our food that's hot. Cool it down.
Mine.
Good. Mm-hmm. Big bites. Big Munch bites. Big munch bites. So yummy. Wow. It's okay.
Mommy.
Oh, you want to eat that one?
Wow. Mommy. Mommy.
So we love sliced cucumbers. Cucumbers, and we like sliced peppers. Like all the color. You need your paper towel? Okay, go ahead and get it. And sliced peppers.
No.
And carrots. And broccoli. I did mine with less broth today, so it's got more flavor in it. You can see there's not much liquid in it.
Oh.
There you go. Uh-oh. Put it on your spoon. Good job. Yum. Dragon fruit is yum. What does it taste like? Yeah.
Yummy.
It tastes like yummy. There we go. Okay. So it's been a little while since I've had dragon fruit, so I gotta taste it. Oh, careful. Banged your knee. It's like a very mild kiwi. Let me taste it for you. Alright, I'm gonna taste mine for them. So it's got tiny little seeds in it, like kiwi seeds, and they're very snappy, like kiwi seeds. And it almost has like no flavor at all. It's very, very mild. But you can get the crunch of the seeds. You don't eat the skin, the pink purple. It's like a very, very mild kiwi. And you get the snap of the seeds. This is something that we'll eat every now and then.
No.
But it's not, they're so expensive and there's not a whole lot of flavor in them. So we don't get them that often. But we do try to eat. Oh, does it have a pointy part? Let's see. I did find a little thorn on it right after I cut it. So make sure you're careful. They're little spiny thorns, not these pieces, because this is what it looks like from the outside. And then the stem portion up here. And then the bottom. She's repeating everything I'm saying. So these weren't on sale, and it was $5 for just the one. So I would much rather get, big burp video. Good job. That was just good timing because mommy can't burp on command. I have had one of my subs saying that he's missed my last few videos, haven't had any burps in them, which I've noticed. But say big bites. Yeah. And she ate a half a piece of pizza before we started doing this. I don't like these metal chopsticks. Noodles especially like to slide off. She's doing better with the chopsticks than I am. Should I just put them together like this? Hold them like this and just scoop? Let's see how that works. How are you getting them to work like that? There we go. I kind of did a pinch. And I told her at first, I was like, you can't have chopsticks, Munch, because you don't know how to eat with them. And she's like, no, me chopstick.
Yeah.
We're going to have to start your own mukbang channel. She loves to eat. That's why we call her Munch.
Yeah, for me. Mommy.
Ooh, that was a good slurp. All of the kids have been enjoying making videos. Aria doesn't eat like a whole lot and she likes to goof off still, so she won't sit here like Munch will and actually like talk about food and make a channel. Don't eat the paper towel. That's not part of the meal. And since I don't do any editing on my videos, everything is how it is. Did it splash you in the face?
Yeah.
That's okay. But this one, she'll sit here for a while. Oh, another car came? Ooh. She'll sit here and actually eat.
For me.
Yeah? Did you see a bird or a car?
Car.
A car, okay. And she loves to cook. She'll stand there at the stove and help cook. She'll throw in, you know, whatever spices, and we'll have her like stir up stuff. And like yesterday we made Salisbury steak and we put a rubber glove on her and she actually helped mix up the spices into the hamburger meat. And she loves food.
Yum.
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 Food is yum. You might have to poke it. There you go. And she likes pretty much everything. She loves her fruits. She loves her vegetables. She loves meat. She likes bread, pasta, yogurt. I mean, like anything she'll eat. Donuts. Yeah. Wow. I am surprised at how good you're doing with those chopsticks. Big bite. Ooh, I hear a helicopter. I might be able to see it out the window. That one sounds like military too. Yeah, just sit. See if we can see it. She loves planes. I just seen the shadow go by.
Yeah,
I seen the shadow go by, yes.
me. Yeah, the pie.
Yeah.
Food.
It flew by. Big bite.
Oh.
Whoop. Put them together. Put Put them together like that and then poke it. Oh, you almost had that one. You're going to have to poke it in the harder part of it. You're trying to poke where the seeds are, and that's soft right there. There you go. Yeah. Oh no. Use your fork. You got a fork. You're going to stab me in the face with them chopsticks. I see it. We're in close quarters, but I put the camera down more on her. Whoa. Whoop. We'll get it. It's all right. Get another one. There goes the block. So now everybody knows we're eating this at 2 o'clock. You always just pick them up with your fingers. Why aren't you doing that now? I didn't mean your noodles. I meant the cucumber. Your spoon's right there. There you go.
Mom.
She needs her own channel. My goodness. It got in her hair. You slurped so good that it got in your hair. Okay. We're going to have to finish it up soon, though. People won't watch probably the whole thing. You're now the youngest mukbanger. I thought Buddy was, because he did his own mukbang. That's a few videos ago. He's 7. He did his own mukbang. He did really good, actually. I think Munch is taking rain, though. Slurp. Goes. I'll tell you when we're gonna go by. She knows the routine here. Whoa! You'll eat noodles just because of the slurping. You okay? Don't get too crazy because you know they'll go down the back of your mouth. And you don't want to get choked. Here, take a drink of water. Oh, my napkin. From my cup. All right. Need some more of this. Bite down. There you go. Tell them how good it is. Hey. It's almost like the only flavor comes from the seeds. Yeah. You okay? What?
Daddy, go. Daddy, food.
Oh, the helicopter flew by and you didn't see it?
No.
What are you giving them an angry face for? They didn't do anything. They're just watching.
Bye.
Are you ready to end the video?
No.
No?
No.
Are you full?
No.
You're not full yet?
No.
Oh, more of this? Mmm. Yummy.
No. Food.
These are pretty big, but for what you get as far as flavor, it's not quite worth the price, in my opinion. Oh, you want it in your hand? Okay. So we get them as just like a little treat every now and then. Why are you giving them a mad face? Hmm?
Food.
What? The mukbang food's gonna be over soon?
Yeah. Big food.
Big food, yes.
Big.
But if we tell them, to subscribe, then maybe they'll come back and they'll watch more, and you can do more videos. How's that?
Yeah.
What? One noodle.
More.
Oh, no, 2 noodles. Okay. Do you want to say bye to everybody?
No, baby.
Well, eat some more.
Soup.
Soup is yum. Beef ramen. Big bites. We're going to have to put that on the video because these are big bites for you. Couple for mommy too. More of this. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do one last bite of this for me. One last bite for you. And then we're gonna say bye. So can you tell everybody to subscribe? Say subscribe. Subscribe and like.
Yes.
Say thumbs up for our video. And comment below.
No. Yeah.
Comment below. And we'll see you next time. Bye.